All right, here we go. Call and answer. Blues in E, and all we're going to do is call with the shuffle. I'm using my right hand dampening. So be real percussive with it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. All right, I'm going to do a playthrough now. Really slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a simplified B7 turnaround. Open A string, first fret A string, second fret A string. Your choice if you want to put down the rest of the chord. Alright, here we go again. Remember, here's a quick reminder. We got the A form of the chord. It's the mini chord with our ring finger on fret 6 of the 3rd string and our first finger on fret 5 of the 4th string. That's the A mini chord, A7. You get the E mini chord, as you know, and I'm being lazy and I'm muting string 5 with my first finger, so I get. So if I hit the 5th string, got nothing. The B7, okay, so remember we're going to slide this up and we have. Alright, so all that is the mini chord, but I'm going to add something to it. I'm going to replace my first finger with my middle finger and wrap my first finger around to the 7th fret of the low E string. So I've got 7th fret of the low E string, 7th fret of the 4th string, 8th fret of the 3rd string, and it's. And I stop my pick at string 2. Don't pick string 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that was part 1. Let's do a little part 2 up to. So, play it slow and play it clear. Remember that chop. Just rake the strings toward the ceiling, be aggressive, and stop the tone with the pillow of your own hand. That's it, man. Here it is in context. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's without the slides. Here's with the slides. 2, 3, 4. going to do it at a moderate tempo now, not crazy fast. A 1, 2, 3, 4.